make cheesy scalloped potatoes. Here are the ingredients: sliced potatoes, salt, minced garlic, olive oil, ground pepper.
Mix it.
2 tablespoons of butter, even more olive oil, garlic,
Stir it up. Add your potatoes.
Pre-cook for 5 minutes. 4 tablespoons of butter. That's really healthy. 1 cup of milk. 2 cups of cheddar cheese.
Put the cheese in. Stir it.
1 egg.
Stir it again. Mix the sauce with your potatoes. Add it into the pan.
½ cup of Parmesan cheese. Time to put it in the oven. Bake it at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. It's done! Cheesy scalloped potatoes. Yum!